og hér fyrir aftan mig eru krakkar í skólanum og hér allt fyrsta fjörið.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more.
Nú erum við komin í hlaup í skarðið.
Labyrinth, come in. Labyrinth, come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup. Cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage, bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble and dust, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say you better run, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Cause we throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just mess on it, yeah, mush for me. Hey, yeah. We can make an earthquake.
Nú á að dansa.
1, 2, 3. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. You think you got it, oh, you think you got it.
Heyrðu, var gaman?
Já,
Hvað fannst þér skemmtilegast?
skottbolti.
Þekktir einhvað sem leikið með ánum fyrst í þetta?
Já, allir.
Amen. Var gaman?
Já.
Hvað fannst þér skemmtilegast?
Skottbolta.
Þekktir eitthvað sem leikir fyrir fólkið?
Ha?
Þekktir eitthvað sem leikir?
Já, skottbolta.
Var gaman?
Já, afturlega. Hvað
Hvað fannst þér skemmtilegast?
Það var örugglega skótboltinn.
Þekktir eitthvað sem leikir fólkið á?
Já, nokkra.
Já. Hvað fannst þér skemmtilegast?
Skottbolti.
Þekktir eitthvað sem leikir fólkið á?
Ha?
Þekktir eitthvað sem leikir fyrir fólkið á?
Já.